over here, we're gonna
Excellent.
these two gentlemen are gonna try the Lance Lamar special. This is the -1, and this is Greg. So Greg got fired. That's why he has to eat it. And the -1, this is his induction into the Duncan duo. So what do y'all think about this?
Tell us in the comments.
Well, let's open it up and let's see what it smells like.
Mask off.
Oh, I got a hot dog in mine. Oh, it smells. Alright, let's go. Alright, ready?
3, 2, 1, eat! You didn't fall. That's good enough.
I didn't even taste it. I just threw it in.
That means you need to eat the hot dog.
Give me a freaking.
It tastes awful.
Hey, why is it spicy?
Oh, that tastes bad. Oh, that tastes really bad. Does anyone have a knife? I want to cut the end of my tongue off.
Oh.
I'm
Nice.
gonna.
Another spoon. Lemon, you don't want any more?
No more soup. I can't watch you, Max.
Oh.
Greg.
Greg.
Nobody gets my name right.
You don't have to
Alright,
move it.
swallow.
No, don't swallow.
What is?
You're
Are
not-
these?
Whoa.
Are these pigs? Or are they?
That's a hot dog right there. 3,
Oh my
2,
god.
1.
Please don't.
Oh! Yeah, do it.
Thanks for watching, fans.
Did I get my job back?
Yes, Greg.
Thank you.
Oh god, it's awful.